In this video, we are going to cover 2 potential crypto airdrops. Also, I'm going to share with you a tool that shows upcoming airdrops. And there's been a lot of speculation on which big protocol will be the next one to have an airdrop. And this is following the successful airdrop from ENS, where users were given more than $4,000 worth of tokens, all the way up to over $40,000 worth of tokens. And they were rewarded for being early users and early believers. And when it comes to crypto airdrops, there are 2 very important things to understand. It's based on speculation because the projects will not say, hey guys, at a certain date in the future, we will give you tokens if you do XYZ. They will not do that. It will be in retrospect. And this is even if they will have an airdrop, right? The projects that we're going to speak about in this video, they may not even have an airdrop. And even if they do have an airdrop, who knows what the requirements will be? So that's the first part, a lot of speculation in play. The second thing is that there are many airdrops in crypto, but most of those airdrop tokens have 0 value. If the underlying asset has no value, the airdrop token will have no value either. If you have an NFT that has no value, or people don't think it has value, and they airdrop another NFT or a token or a protocol that no one uses and they airdrop a token, all you're getting is an airdrop token worth 0. And even if you get something that has value, maybe it's worth $5 or $10. If it's on Ethereum, to claim it, it will cost you $50, $100, or $200. So most airdrops are actually not worth it. What we're looking for are airdrops that are based off of a protocol or a project that is successful. For example, when we look at ENS, this is a protocol from 2017. Many early believers who were using the protocol before they even knew about the airdrop. And there is a website though that shows you upcoming airdrops. It is coinmarketcal.com. I will leave a link down below. And if you go down here and select airdrop snapshot and scroll down, you can see upcoming snapshots and airdrops. And like I said, most of these won't have any value. I've received many of these airdrops in the past where I couldn't even sell it. It wasn't listed anywhere. And even when I could sell it, it maybe was worth, $1 or $2. It just wasn't worth it. So we're looking for protocols that people use and people believe in. And this brings me to the first potential upcoming airdrop, and that is MetaMask. MetaMask is a wallet that many people use. It's probably the most popular DeFi wallet, especially for Ethereum. And when it comes to MetaMask and a MetaMask token, like we said, there's no guarantee. It's based off of speculation. However, there are clues that have led me and others to believe that there will be a MetaMask token, because on Twitter someone commented, MetaMask is going to have to drop a token. Someone replied, not going to happen. And then there was another reply from Joseph Lubin, who is the co-founder of Ethereum and the founder of Consensus. And he replied, Consensus has thousands of tokens on our balance sheet. Consensus is vigorously controlled by its employees, which includes me, and we are driving towards decentralization of several of our projects. When Mask, stay tuned. So it really looks like there will be a MetaMask token. And when it comes to these airdrops, there are 3 layers. The first one, like we've said already, is will there even be a token? Again, this is not a confirmation. This is just maybe a clue or a hint. So we don't even know if there will be one. The second part is, let's say there is a token. What are the requirements? Every project has different requirements for their airdrops. Some say, hey, if you did certain transaction on this date, you're eligible. Some will say, for example, if you've done 3 or 4 of this type of transaction, you will get more tokens. So again, this is based off of speculation. We don't know if there's even going to be a token, and if there is a token, what will make someone eligible. Now, when it comes to what might make someone eligible, I, along with many others, believe it will be by using MetaMask's in-swap feature. If you go into the MetaMask wallet, you can actually swap tokens within the wallet as opposed to going to a site such as Uniswap or 1inch. So this might be what makes someone eligible if MetaMask has a token. Again, that's a big if. And to see if you've already performed this swap in the past, you can go ahead and check in your wallet, click on these 3 dots, view account on Etherscan, and it will show you your transactions. And what you want to look out for is this over here, swap MetaMask swap router. Again, this is speculation. I don't know if this will be what makes someone eligible, even if there is a MetaMask token. So that's the second thing. And the third thing is, if there is a token, when is the snapshot date? Like we said earlier in the video, projects, at least bigger projects, they won't say, hey, this is going to be the snapshot date, and this is exactly what you have to do to be eligible. It will be in retrospect. They want to reward the early users. So again, who knows if there'll even be a token? The second one is what will make someone eligible? And the third one is when would the snapshot even be? Did it already happen or will it happen in the near future? And when it comes to MetaMask, unfortunately, well, not MetaMask, but Ethereum, gas fees are very high. So to really do anything on MetaMask, even do one of these in-app swaps will cost $50, $100, $200. So whether you want to use it or not, that is your decision. But what I will say is that if you were going to use anyway, something like SushiSwap or Uniswap or 1inch, you might as well try using the in-swap feature in the wallet. So this is the first potential upcoming airdrop, MetaMask Token. The second one is one I spoke about 9 months ago. I spoke about it in yesterday's video and I will speak about it again, and that is OpenSea. And this one is really pure speculation. I don't have any proof or any clues as to whether OpenSea will have a token. If you do, please put it down in the comments below. But if I go on Twitter and I type in OpenSea or OpenSea Token, everyone is speaking about a potential upcoming OpenSea airdrop. Again, pure speculation. And as I said in yesterday's video, airdrops are only the added benefit, the cherry on top. The most important part about airdrops is using the underlying protocol. That in itself can help you make more money in the long run. So when it comes to OpenSea, this is something that I have been using for many, many months. Many of you have been using OpenSea for many, many months. So will they have a token? Maybe. What will be the requirements? Who knows? When will be the snapshot date? Who knows? But regardless of all of that, just knowing how to use OpenSea alone can benefit you in the long run. And if you've been watching this channel for more than a few months, or you've been in crypto for a few months and you still have not got your feet wet with NFTs or OpenSea, I don't know what to tell you. I do have a full entire NFT playlist down below. So if you were on the fence or unsure how to get started, go ahead and check it out. It has almost everything you need to know about NFTs. And I want you guys to put down below in the comments projects that you think will have a potential upcoming airdrop. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you next time.